Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best beard trimmer you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series Trimmer for Beard. This is another one from the top-rated beard trimmers in the multi-grooming category, made by Philips. This all-in-one trimmer can be used for beard, head, body, and facial hair styling and trimming. The question one might be wondering about is what this trimmer cannot do. It does everything that a person can imagine. Additionally, it comes with a guide comb attachment that makes it easy for you to use it anywhere. This Philips Norelco beard trimmer comes with dual cut and 2 times more self-sharpening blade system that will be useful for 5 years. It is great for edging, trimming, or shaving. Also, to deliver more power and maximum torque, the trimmer includes a full metal motor and a drivetrain reinforced with tempered steel. It also has a trimmer guard in place, fixed with ultra-strong fiberglass material to prevent any bending and buckling. The titanium blades are non-rustic and stainless steel, so you don't need to worry about rusting. Another plus point of this trimmer is the lithium-ion battery that can deliver up to 5 hours of runtime per charge. Isn't it amazing? It is one of the best cordless beard trimmers in the beard trimming range. This tool comes with 19 beard trimming attachments, 5 shaving and trimming tools, 2 body trimmer guards, 2 fading hair combs, 4 hair guards for your hair, and 6 stubble trimmers guards for your beard trimming needs. This is a cordless trimmer and a precision dial trimmer equipped with noise and ear trimming attachments. Pros: solid and sturdy design. 19 attachments with a guide. 5 hours of battery life on a full charge. Dual cut technology. Stainless steel edges. Cons. Some reviewers. Number 2. Andis 04710 Professional T-Outliner Beard Hair Trimmer. As one of the best solutions for a guy who wants to give his beard some fine outlining or fading, Andis Professional Trimmer has a lot of features that allow for close cutting. With premium quality blades made of carbon steel, this product is bound to last you for a long time and stay sharp equally long. They can also be adjusted according to your personal shaving preferences. To prolong their lifetime, make sure to oil them before, during, and after every use. When the time for their replacement comes, don't forget to check the blade alignment first, because it's essential that the upper blade teeth fall below the top edge of the lower blade's teeth. The best feature, however, is the close-cutting T-outliner blade that's very precise and amazing in giving your neckline, mustache and area around the ears clean, smooth edges. Sometimes facial hair trimmers tend to be noisy, which can be pretty annoying. Nevertheless, you'll never experience something like that with this item thanks to its quiet but powerful and high-speed motor. Although it's not cordless, with the heavy-duty cord of 8 foot, you'll have more than enough space to work around. Pros: very close-cutting T-blade for hard, powerful, high-speed motor. Precise blades that stay sharp. Adjustable blades and fine cutting. Cons: slightly higher price. Number 3. Hadikier Men's Beard Trimmer Cordless. If you do not want to spend money at the salon, this trimmer will fulfill that wish. It is a complete haircutting kit that you would require at the time of the haircutting session. All the beards or hairstyles that you wish for are now possible with this trimmer. Be it goatee, stubble, sideburns, or mustaches, this trimmer does everything. It is equipped with titanium ceramic blades that are sharp, strong, and durable. This precision ground blade slices your beard the way you want and allows you to design any beard. You don't need extra effort as the blades are made up of the finest quality of material that remains sharp for a longer time. Unlike the other cheap quality blades, these blades prevent your skin from irritation or other side effects. The trimmer's body has tunable blades ranging from 0.5 mm to 2.5 mm and a precision dial from 3 mm to 8 mm. The powerful Li-ion battery and the durable motor are the reason behind the beard trimmer's amazing performance. An uninterrupted 2.5 hours of runtime is a heart-throbbing feature of this nifty machine. Also, the trimmer produces low noise, which means a peaceful hair-cutting session without disturbing others around. It is also ideal for sharing space as the other won't get disturbed by it. Pros: no noise operation. Complete solution. Wonderful and useful accessories. Low maintenance. Waterproof. Cons: difficult to carry. Number 4. Panasonic Beard Trimmer for Men Cordless. The Panasonic Power Precision Trimmer is a powerful facial hair sculpting device that is both well-designed and highly effective. However, it's also extremely expensive. A dial is used to adjust the height of the blade guard to 19 different lengths, not half as many as the Braun BT3040. This trimmer gets the job done with ease and offers an extremely quick and comfortable trim. Its design is sleek, though not quite as slender as some of its competition, and feels like a professional grooming tool. Still, the high quality of the Panasonic Power Precision doesn't justify its enormous price tag, especially when comparable trimmers are significantly cheaper. Still, if money is no object, we can assure you that this trimmer offers professional grooming that rivals the very best on our list. As you can see from the image, you don't hold it like a traditional trimmer, as the cutting blades are in line, rather than perpendicular, to the handle. This results in a lot more visibility while trimming, making it easier to create clean edges to your stubble. This is also aided by the long and sharp cutting blades. If you're after more precision, the Panasonic comes with a detail attachment, which essentially covers 2/3 of the blade and makes getting to those hard-to-reach places easier. Pros: powerful trimmer. Offers a wide range of trim lengths. Has a professional feel and look. Cons: high price tag. Number 5. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Beard Nose Trimmer. Wahl is synonymous with professional hair grooming and has been a trusted brand in the industry for nearly 100 years, and this trimmer proves it's worthy of the prestige. It combines a sleek, travel-ready design with a truly comfortable and effortless trim. On top of it all, its impressive battery life is leagues above its competitors. Right out of the box, the Wahl's quality is apparent in its slender yet substantial stainless steel frame. This trimmer had actual weight to it and felt less like a toy and more like a professional grooming tool. With a quick 1-minute charge, it was ready for use and offered extremely fast and precise blade movement that made for a very comfortable trim of stray hairs. It's not as easy to clean as a waterproof trimmer, but it's not hard to keep blades in top shape with the included cleaning brush and oil. While the Wahl trimmer may not offer the variety of trim lengths that some of our other top picks do, there's simply no replacement for the product's quality, effectiveness, and battery life. If you're looking for a truly professional trimmer, there's really nothing better than the Wahl. It comes with a staggering 16 guide combs, which means you can go from a 0.2 mm super close shave all the way up to a proper barbershop hairdo tidy up if you really want to. There is also the obligatory nose hair trimmer, detailer head for fancy beards, and a foil shaver for getting that smooth as a baby's bottom look to your cheeks and chin. Pros: sturdy, professional feel. Precise, clean trim. Outstanding battery life. Cons: not as easy to clean. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.